This is a BobTail SF20 swage forward tool, currently fitted with an M16 nose assembly. As you can see, it's been installing fasteners and we're getting a build-up of debris, plating debris and so on the surface there. And it's good to keep this clean and also lubricated. So part of a standard bit of daily maintenance is have a point that you can scribe inside the jaws just to scrape any build-up or debris of material from in the teeth of the jaws or the puller. Just give those a quick clean. It's good to use an airline. Obviously using a cloth or a rag stops you getting sprayed with muck and mess. And we can give this a clean. Then on activating the trigger, we'll send the swaging anvil forwards, which will give us access to clean and grease inside the tool. So we do this and then we'll press stop whilst holding the trigger button in to make sure that the nose assembly stays forward. So you can hear we've switched the power off on the power rig, but we'll also disconnect the signal cable as an extra measure, just so that nobody can activate the rig without us knowing about it, causing the tool to start operating. So as you can see, when we press the button now, obviously nothing is happening because it's all switched off. So we're safe now to clean inside this anvil area. So quite simply, it should be greased in here on a daily basis ideally. So we're just cleaning out the old grease, a lubricant like copper grease, deep down inside the anvil, making sure we get all the way around. Now we can switch the power back on, press the button and the tool will return back to its original point. So we'll now pull the stop button back out on the power rig. Notice no noise is happening. The power rig's not engaged until we activate the button, and we just simply need to touch the button to start the process. It's returned back to its forward state, ready to install a fastener. Wipe the surplus grease around and you're ready to install a fixing. So it's good practice to carry out this basic frontline maintenance on a regular basis to ensure that the anvil assembly area is greased correctly and clean, which will help ensure that the fastener is installed correctly on every occasion. So with a simple change of the nose assembly from the installation nose to the collar cutting nose, we can easily remove the bobtail fastener.